This video is going to show you how to download Telegram chats as a backup. Right here, we're inside the chat. All you have to do is come up here to the three dots, and this works extremely well on the desktop app. Simply go down to Export Chat History, and right here, you can put the checkbox on all of the items that you would like to download. For this example, we are only selecting video messages, videos, and photos. And we can actually, let's also check files because we have files inside here. All you have to do right here is to click on the path and select a folder that you would like to export the file to. For this example, we have created a Telegram backup folder, and we can simply select this folder to export everything there. Once you have selected the folder, hit export. And this is exactly how easy it is to back up and download Telegram chats on your app.